Right, here's a question you need to solve. So we're solving for y. I notice that there's a y here and a y there. So I need to get those on the same side of the equal sign. So here's my question. So I want to move this one. So to move it, since I'm adding it, I'm going to subtract y on this side. And that will cancel them out on the right side. But if I subtract a y on the right side, I also have to subtract a y on the left side. So I'll have 3y minus 10 is equal to 6. And of course 3y minus y is 2y minus 10 is equal to 6. And now I want to move that 10 to the other side. So since it's subtract, I'm going to add 10 to this side, and that'll cancel according to the additive inverse property. If I add 10 on the left side, I need to add 10 on the right side too. So I'll get 2y is equal to 6 plus 10. And then 2y is equal to 16. And now since I'm multiplying by 2, I'll divide this side by 2, divide this side by 2. The 2's cancel, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. All right, hopefully that helps you.